Hey, welcome back. So y'all know that I am always excited to make a brand new video for you, right? But in videos like these today, it is actually a little sad because I'm sharing with you products and prints that are going to be retiring at the end of the month. So kind of in a transition month in the month of April because we have our brand new summer catalog launching on May 1st. So that means in April, there are going to be lots of things that sell out, but there are some products that will not return and then some prints. So I'm going to share those with you today. So everything pretty much in this line drawn flowers print sold out so fast. We do have a few items left in this print and they will be retiring at the end of April. Now, keep in mind, in the month of April, our amazing customer special, y'all. Please take advantage of this customer special. We love it as consultants so much, and we want all of our customers to know how amazing this is. You probably remembered it. We call it our 50/50 special, or I call it that. Spend 50, get a 50% off item of your choice. It's amazing. So let's show our home office how much we adore this customer special, okay? So keep in mind when I'm showing you things today about our customer special, spend 50, get a 50% off item. So any regular price item you'll get for 50% off when you have $50 in your cart first, okay? So the line drawn flowers print. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see that it is trimmed in our denim. The denim thread color is going away. Okay, it's going away. So definitely keep that in mind. Just since this is on the inside, I'll show you this. This is the Voyager tote. I can tell you how many times I have used this season. So this is that Voyager tote in the line drawn flowers. I did the butterfly in the rose pink and then Let's Fly Away in the denim. Looking back, I would probably change this thread color to Canyon. I think the Canyon thread color may be going away too. I meant to look at that thread color. Yep, the Canyon is going away too. So I would probably do the Canyon looking back. But you know, I make those decisions when I personalize and then I can tell you if I love it or wish I'd chose something different. But I love that this is like a weekend bag. So it has the wide shoulder straps. I didn't know if I'd like those at first, but it feels so good on your shoulder. I love that. And then y'all know about where is it? Is it zipped up? Of course it's zipped up. So this is the trolley sleeve. So you can actually slide this over your rolling luggage and not have to carry this, which is nice. You've got that zipper on the front and then on the inside here, it's very, very roomy. I can't tell you, I've used it as a carry-on. I've used it when we travel, you know, driving. It's kind of hard to show because it's big, but you've got, can you see in there? You've got the elastic pockets in there and a zipper pocket there in the back. And then on this side, you've got two, it's just so awkward to show sometimes, but you've got on the inside mesh pockets. And then it does come with a crossbody strap that hooks on right here. So this is the Voyager tote. It's going away in that line drawn flowers print as well as the large utility tote. And this personalization icon, the love, is going away. So if you want to grab this large utility tote or you already have some things in that line drawn flowers print and you want to build on your collection, then I would definitely grab those two items for sure. And keep in mind, get that large utility tote, add personalization and maybe an icon on there, and that will get you to that $50 level, and then you can get that Voyager tote for half price, y'all. Such an amazing deal. Okay, the next one that's going away is the kitchen apron in this Stormy Seas print here. I did the heart icon. This heart icon's a little bit different now, and I did Baked with Love on here, so super cute. So this is such a great gift. If you need a gift for Mother's Day, go ahead and grab this in April. You'll have it in time, but this has the straps here. So what you'll do is you'll put this around you up here, and then you'll crisscross it in the back, and then you'll feed it through the little grommets on either side. And it does have the little pocket right here. So I love this apron. It's super cute for kids too. So that is going away, and also our serveware trio. So this is going away as well, and you can see that you can add personal. Oh, and on the apron you get free personalization. Forgot to say that. But this one you can add personalization. It's actually, it looks very blank without personalization on here, without the etching. So I would definitely encourage you to do that. But it has a little serveware things here that come out, and this also comes out this little tray. I don't want to drop it, but This also comes out so you can wash this. You can even turn it over. So I love this serveware trio. This is like a great gift for someone if you don't know what to get them, or a wedding shower gift, and you could put their last name on there. So super cute. Also, y'all know about our 𝗵𝐷esign collection. So we launched this collection in January from 𝗵𝐷esign, and literally it's sold out so fast. I was literally having to mark out the catalogs when I was sending them to my hostesses because I'm like, oh my gosh, everything is sold out. But we do have a couple of items that are left, and I think you'll definitely want to snag those. Great price points on these items. So these are the little bamboo clips here. So it has, can you see that? It has that right there. So you can just clip it onto a basket. You can clip it onto one of our totes here. You can see that it just clips on just like that. I have this one, and this gets free personalization too. So use it, use that free personalization. I have thank you on here because I have a little basket on my porch for my delivery drivers with waters and all kinds of little snack goodies. So I have thank you on this one. And then this is one that we have upstairs in our pantry that says snacks on here. So I have all the little Debbie's and all the little snacks in there. So those are the bamboo clips, great price point, free personalization. And then I think this is the only things that we have left are the rotating caddies. So this is a small rotating caddy. I actually had to go grab this from upstairs. I keep this in my laundry room cabinet. And so I have, you know, my stain removers, my my washing machine cleaning, you know, when you do self cleans on your thing, I have that stuff in here. I have a little mason jar where I keep like a toothbrush, a pair of scissors, you know, little other knickknacks and things that you sometimes need in your laundry room. So this, I hated that cabinet. I used to hate it because just everything was in there. But when I put this in there, oh, my cabinet looks so great now. And same thing with the large rotating caddy. My cabinets under my kitchen or my bathroom sink were always just so jumbled and I couldn't see what I had. And so I replaced all of them with these. Holy cow, y'all, when you put these in your cabinets, it makes a world of difference. So you can put everything, I mean, this was the large one. So a lot of things fit in here and I can just spin it around and grab what I need instead of having to reach in the back and I can't see. I even put one of these in my pantry upstairs. So I have like our peanut butter, peanuts, you know, all the things that were just shoved everywhere, little popcorn seasonings. And this, we love that cabinet now. So definitely grab these rotating caddies. Excellent price point on these. And then also our gray patchwork print is going to be retiring. So in this is the rectangle. Also the cube in this print is retiring. The lids that go with this. So let's see, I did print out some things because I had this in a different print, but the double zip storage bin in the gray patchwork, y'all, this is great to store sheets. It's great to store blankets and things like that. A lot of my customers put queen full. They store their sheets or their blankets and things like that in there. The small essential storage tote in the farmer's market print is going away. Let's see what else. I printed these off because I just didn't have these exact prints. This is the tiny utility tote in the wine time. And then also, oh, I said this is the mini storage cube in that gray patchwork and also in that charcoal is going away. So definitely keep those in mind. Also, I had a few things marked on here. The thread colors that are going away are the denim blue, the Canyon sunset, and the metallic gold and the metallic silver. I love those. So those thread colors are going away. For monograms that are going away, the striped heart, the wine time, the all the love, which is that love icon I showed you on the large utility tote. All of the Easter and Valentine's icons are going away. The walrus, the berry, those things like that. So also keep in mind, so I reminded you at the beginning about our 50/50 customer special. In April, spend 50, get a 50% off item, y'all. Take advantage of this customer special. It's amazing. I promise you guys. You can get those high ticket items for half price. Also in the month of April too, there's so many things that you can stack upon. But we have, or actually one has sold out. So we have 11 bundles that 31 has put together for us. So I'll link above and at the end of this video so you can watch my video on the bundles. But just know when you go to the sale tab on my website and then go to bundle and save, it will pull up all of these bundles. So these are products that 31 has bundled together and they're giving you 50% off or more. So you can actually grab this bundle, let that be your $50 qualifier for the customer special, and then add on one of these retiring items and get that as your half price item. I mean, amazing. The Bake and Take Party Cooler, the Everyday Essentials Tote, one of my absolute faves. I'm not going to go through all of these, but they are truly amazing. So keep in mind that, and the new catalog. There's something very, very special in this new catalog. I'm not ready to share it yet, but if you are hosting with me in May, June, July, or August, then you are going to get a catalog from me in the mail. And there's something very super special about this catalog and me. So super excited about that. But this new catalog will launch in May. So May 1st. So brand new stuff coming in May, but grab what you want to have in the month of April so you don't miss out on that. So thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your girl. So definitely subscribe to my channel. Then I'm going to link below everything that I chatted about today so you can see the details of this video, and then you can see how to get in touch with me. If you're on Facebook and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'd love to be your girl. So you can just click to join my VIP group, answer the couple of questions, and then I'll send you back a private message. So check that message request folder, check that spam folder, and hopefully you'll see my message there to you. If you're interested in becoming a 31 consultant just like me, I have a lot of fun in my job. And I love being able to share the blessing of 31 with other women. You can actually join in the month of April for $31. So we can chat and I can answer any questions that you have. If you're interested in hosting, so I can create you a shopping link in the month of April. You can shop on your own shopping link, and we can actually carry that link over into May. So you can shop the retirement in April, and then you can shop the new stuff in May and earn host rewards on those orders. And we can carry it over for 1 month. And we can also do an online party if you'd like as well. You can share that shopping with your friends and your family. You can even shop on your own shopping link and earn rewards that way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Let me know in the comments what you know that you have to grab in the month of April. You do not want to let it pass you by. So have a great day.